Hello and welcome back to Tom's Talks. Hopefully you guys are all keeping well. Today's going to be an unboxing video, kind of more live and different from what you would normally see. This massive box from, I think, Yodel maybe? Anyway, it's from Louis Vuitton Edinburgh. It does say at the top, Miltrees Walk North, St Andrews Square, EH1 3DQ. So that's handy. Was expecting something in this massive box. Maybe at this point you could probably guess, or maybe not, what's in this. But before we jump into this unboxing, funny thing, t-shirt, paintings for sale. Anybody want to make a bid? Let me know. Also, what do you guys think of the Game On print in little frames? I managed to put them in a couple of frames, and I just thought, see what it looks like, and I think it actually looks not too bad. If you let me know what you guys think of the Game On print inside those little frames, if you like them, if you don't, let me know. But without further ado, let's crack on with opening this big box up. So let's crack on with this unboxing. We'll get the scissors, run them across the top. Oh, what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? A little bit of bubble wrap, which is handy. Now, I've got this nicely presented box, which is pretty cool. I've also got this little box with a little tie, which is also very cute. We've got a little receipt card here, which is just a receipt for what's in here, which we're not going to give that away just yet. I've got a bag, which is a nice little addition. We've got some tissue paper in the same print as the bag, which I'm loving. And we've also got another limited edition festive bag, the carrier bag, so it's pretty cool to have that with the tissue paper in the same one. I think that's pretty cool. So I think we'll go ahead with this guy here. It's nicely re-tied up. Try and get the packaging down. The little ribbon is on it. Go ahead and open it up in the little drawer. As you can see, little Louis Vuitton sticker there on the tissue paper. Go ahead and pull it out. Very pretty. And it is in fact little Louis Vuitton bow tie. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to keep this one for the next unboxing, because I now know what's in this guy. So what we'll do is we'll keep this for the next video, so stay tuned for part 2 of this unboxing. Also managed to get all that stuff before the pesky price increase that happened 4 days ago, 5 days ago now. Managed to order especially the multicolour wallet, which is out there, just on the 1st of January. I think the price increases, I've not hit the wallet yet, the pocket organiser yet, but it did come and fit and hit the clays and Pochette, etc. and all this kind of stuff. So anyway, what do we think of the little bow tie? Pretty cute, pretty not. The packaging's pretty fun as well. But as I said, make sure you stay tuned for part 2 of this unboxing. Don't make the video too long. So I just want to say thanks very much for watching this video, another unboxing video on Tom's Talks. If you like my channel, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tom's Talks below, I really appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so if you would subscribe, that'd be great. Check out my other videos if you do like unboxing videos, or you happen to like Louis Vuitton or anything luxury. Place for you, comment below, like, check out my other videos as well, as I mentioned. Backward tongue, usually more slick than this. But yeah, just want to say thanks very much for watching. Hope you guys are all keeping well. And also, if you want to check me out on Instagram, it's @TheLuxScot. I'll leave that here, and I'll see you next video. Stay safe. Ciao.